Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To set up VS Code for AutoPep8 on a Chromebook, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Install VS Code on your Chromebook. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Visual Studio Code. Click on Add to Chrome to install the VS Code app. Once installed, open the VS Code app. 2. Install the Python extension for VS Code. In VS Code, click on the extensions icon on the sidebar. Search for Python in the extensions marketplace. Click on Install to add the Python extension to VS Code. 3. Install autopep8. Open the terminal in VS Code by pressing ctrl+. Install autopep8 using pip by running the following command. 4. Configure VS Code to use autopep8 for formatting. Go to File Preferences Settings, or press Ctrl+, to open the settings. Search for Python Formatting Provider and select autopep8 from the dropdown. Save the settings. 5. Format Python code using autopep8. Open a Python file in VS Code. Right-click in the editor and select Format Document or use the shortcut Shift+Alt+F. VS Code will automatically format the code using autopep8. Example code before formatting. Example code after formatting with autopep8. By following these steps, you can set up VS Code for autopep8 on your Chromebook and easily format your Python code for better readability and consistency.